A toilet brush sounds simple, but the wrong one leaves bacteria sitting in a closed holder, drips across your floor, or falls apart within months. Here are 5 of the best options available right now. 1. MR.SIGA Toilet Bowl Brush and Holder, the MR. SIGA holds the top spot because it solves the most common problem with standard toilet brushes, wet bristles sitting in a sealed container, through a simple, well-executed ventilation design. The auto-open and close lid operates mechanically without any buttons or latches. When you lift the brush out, the lid opens. When you return the brush, the lid closes. This means the brush is never stored in a sealed container while still wet. Wet bristles in a sealed holder create the conditions for bacterial growth and odor that most people associate with toilet brushes in general. MR.SIGA's ventilation design directly removes that condition. The 15.8-inch handle provides enough length to reach under the rim and into the trap area of a standard toilet bowl without your hand approaching the waterline. The dense PP fiber bristles are firm enough to scrub mineral deposits and staining from the bowl surface without splaying out of shape after a few uses. The replaceable brush head is a practical long-term cost consideration. Rather than replacing the entire unit when the bristles wear down, you replace only the head, available separately on Amazon. This extends the useful life of the holder and handle significantly. For most households looking for a reliable, hygienic, and affordable toilet brush with a proven track record, the MR.SIGA is the most straightforward choice in the category. 2. Simplehuman Toilet Brush with Caddy. The Simplehuman is built for homeowners who want a toilet brush that addresses every practical inconvenience of the category: dripping, rust, short lifespan, and hand contact with the holder in a single well-engineered product. The magnetic collar is the feature that sets this brush apart from every other option in this group. When you remove the brush from the Caddy, the dome cover attaches magnetically to the brush collar. The cover stays attached while you clean, catching drips from the bristles as you carry the brush from the Caddy to the toilet. When you return the brush, the cover releases back onto the Caddy. In a bathroom with tile or wooden flooring, that drip prevention has direct practical value every time the brush is used. The crescent-shaped brush head is specifically contoured to follow the curve of the bowl interior and reach under the rim, the area where most staining and bacteria accumulation occurs and where flat-ended brushes cannot reach effectively. The stainless steel rod resists the rust and surface corrosion that develops on plastic-handled brushes within months in a consistently humid bathroom. Tested against 9 competing products by your best digs in hands-on evaluation and selected as the best overall performer. Backed by Simplehuman's 5-year warranty, the longest coverage available in this category. For homeowners who want a toilet brush that functions precisely and lasts, this is the most complete solution available. 3. Sellemer Flexible Silicone Toilet Brush. The Sellemer delivers a silicone bristle design and sealed handle construction, 2 features that directly address the hygiene and durability shortcomings of standard nylon brushes. At a mid-range price that undercuts the Simplehuman by a significant margin, silicone bristles do not trap debris. Standard dense nylon bristle clusters hold hair, lint, and waste particles between the fibers after use, a residue that does not fully rinse away and accumulates over time. Silicone bristles are smooth, flexible, and non-porous. They rinse completely clean under running water in seconds, which means the brush head carries less residual contamination between uses. The fully sealed handle has no joint or gap between sections. On standard toilet brushes, the connection point between the handle sections allows water to enter the shaft over time. That trapped moisture causes internal rust and handle failure, a common reason toilet brush handles crack or separate within a year of use. The Sellemer's sealed construction prevents moisture entry entirely. The holder includes ventilation slots in the base that allow airflow around the bristles during storage, accelerating drying between uses. A self-adhesive wall mount pad is included for bathrooms where floor space is limited. A wall-mounted holder is preferable. For homeowners who want genuinely easy-to-clean bristles and a handle built to last, the Sellemer delivers both at a price well below the premium tier. 4. OXO Good Grips. The OXO Good Grips compact brush is designed specifically for bathrooms where floor space is limited and a full-size brush and holder takes up more room than the layout allows. The automatic canister door operates the same way as the MR.SIGA's lid. It opens when the brush is lifted and closes when the brush is returned, but the OXO achieves this in a significantly smaller footprint. The canister is notably more compact than most freestanding holders, making it suitable for powder rooms, small in-suites, and narrow spaces between the toilet and a wall or cabinet where a standard holder does not fit comfortably. The tapered brush head is designed to reach under the toilet rim, the ledge that runs around the inside of the bowl just below the waterline. Under-rim deposits of limescale and bacteria are the most common source of toilet odor and visible staining, and a brush head that cannot reach there leaves the most problematic area uncleaned. The tapered profile on the OXO head fits under that ledge on most standard toilet bowl designs. The ergonomic non-slip handle reduces grip effort during scrubbing, which is a relevant consideration for users with arthritis or reduced hand strength. The built-in drip tray in the canister base catches residual water from the bristles during storage. For any bathroom where compact size is the primary requirement without sacrificing cleaning performance, this is the most practical choice. 5. Oshang's Disposable Toilet Brush System. The Oshang disposable system is the right choice for any household where the idea of rinsing and storing a used brush, regardless of how well designed the holder is, remains an unacceptable hygiene compromise. Every reusable toilet brush, regardless of bristle material or holder design, retains some level of residual contamination after rinsing. The oshang eliminates that issue entirely by design. Each cleaning pad is used once, then ejected directly from the wand into the bin without any hand contact with the used pad. The wand handle never contacts waste directly. Between cleaning sessions, the holder stores only the clean wand and unused pads. Each pad contains a preloaded cleaning agent that releases during scrubbing, combining the mechanical action of the brush with a chemical cleaning component in a single step. This reduces the number of separate products needed to clean a toilet effectively. No separate cleaner required when using the pads as directed. The starter kit includes 14 refill pads, and additional refill packs are sold separately on Amazon. For households that clean the toilet weekly, the ongoing refill cost is modest relative to the convenience and hygiene benefit. The reusable handle and holder are a one-time purchase. For households where eliminating cross-contamination from a stored brush is the priority, this is the most direct solution available in the category.